HowExpert Guide to Drawing Animals is your complete 39-day blueprint for learning how to draw the entire animal kingdom, from household pets and wild mammals to birds, reptiles, insects, marine life, and even imaginative creatures. Built around the exclusive ANIMA-LARTIST system, this guide combines 200-plus step-by-step images and illustrations with clear instruction to help you master animals in every shape, size, and style. Across 39 carefully structured days, you will progress from core anatomy foundations into drawing a huge variety of species and habitats, while also exploring dynamic poses, full scenes, and creative styles. Each day's lesson is designed to give you practical growth and portfolio-ready results while keeping the process fun, approachable, and inspiring. Introduction. Discover why animals are fascinating subjects, explore realism, stylization, and whimsy, gather your tools, and preview your 39-day journey. Chapter 1. A. Anatomy Foundations, Days 1 to 3. Learn skeletons, muscles, and proportions across species to build solid structural knowledge. Chapter 2. N. Nature's Mammals, Days 4 to 6. Draw wild mammals, safari giants, and Arctic creatures in dynamic environments. Chapter 3. I. Incredible Birds, Days 7 to 9. Capture sparrows, owls, eagles, parrots, peacocks, and more in flight and at rest. Chapter 4. M. Marine Life, Days 10 to 12. Explore fish, whales, dolphins, sharks, octopuses, and other sea creatures with movement and flow. Chapter 5. A. Amphibians and Reptiles, Days 13 to 15. Study frogs, lizards, snakes, turtles, crocodiles, and other scaled or amphibious animals. Chapter 6. L. Little Critters, Days 16 to 18. Master insects, arachnids, and small bugs like butterflies, ants, beetles, dragonflies, and fireflies. Chapter 7. A. Adorable Pets, Days 19 to 21. Draw dogs, cats, rabbits, hamsters, and parakeets with personality and charm. Chapter 8. R. Rare and Exotic, Days 22 to 24. Sketch monkeys, sloths, pandas, kangaroos, platypuses, and other unusual favorites. Chapter 9. T. Thematic Animal Scenes, Days 25 to 27. Create herds, predator-prey interactions, and habitat-based illustrations. Chapter 10. I. Imaginative Styles, Days 28 to 30. Practice realism, stylized cartoons, and whimsical hybrids, unicorns, and dragons. Chapter 11. S. Storytelling Through Animals, Days 31 to 33. Explore emotions, symbolism, and character design to give animals life. Chapter 12. T. The Ultimate Showcase, Days 34 to 39. Complete collages, master scenes, close-ups, portfolio pieces, and your personal animal masterpiece. Conclusion. Celebrate your transformation and prepare for lifelong animal art growth. Whether you are a beginner learning the basics, an intermediate artist expanding your range, or an experienced illustrator refining your portfolio, this book gives you the structure, skill set, and inspiration to achieve mastery. With 200-plus step-by-step images, a proven 39-day ANIMALARTIST system, and every major animal group represented, HowExpert Guide to Drawing Animals is the most complete resource you will find for learning how to draw the animal kingdom one day, one lesson, and one sketch at a time. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.